Okay, I'm gonna go back.
I would go there, but it just isn't worth it now. We have too many people. It would just be too small now. We can dive down that way, try to sweep around. We can go straight. There's a third way, which is just go this way, take our original bunker that my team made, and just hunker down, which sounds like a good idea until you realize you're sitting on top of a hill with all that wind.
Yeah. I can deal with it.
Well,
I have my kill rag to keep me warm.
that's a good response. I actually kind of feel like diving down into the ravine might be the way to go.
I think going around, we'll probably meet up with them eventually because they're probably already heading over that way anyway.
Yeah. They're either coming around this way or they're coming around that way, but they never go in the middle. But they always have guys guarding the middle from the other side. They just don't go through it.
Right.
I'm like really skeptical to try to go down the hill because I don't want to mess up my leg.
Want me to hold your
Camera
handle?
Oh, this?
No, you're on your vest.
Oh, no, it won't matter. It's such a deep hill. It's not like this. I mean, it's like a mountainside.
Oh, then I probably couldn't do it. I mean, I'll get down it. I'll just take a crater. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, hit!
Hit. Son of a bitch. That fucking ghillie.
Nice, nice, nice.
We literally walked into that one.
Yep.
Do you have it off safe? You're dry, wind it. Ow.
That's game, man.
You guys think you're over here for deep?
All right. We want to ambush him. Think about David. Where would he go if he was coming in with a big, heavy-ass gun? They'd probably stop.
He's gonna take the lightest trail possible. Ravine, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we want high ground no matter what.
What about over on that ridge line over there?
Yeah, we could just be cliche and take the middle.
You said the game starts when they don't see us anymore, right?
Right.
Pretty much.
So we should.
You know how Dave has been on his German kick?
Yeah.
Blitzkrieg. They could be running after us right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, we could better hurry up.
We better hurry up.
Yeah. Let's take this position. It's probably one of the best reinforced positions with a nice open no man's land. Someone in that trench. In fact, I'll take the trench. Yeah, I got it. Well, you guys take that hill. Don't stay together. Spread out. so they're not going to expect it. So, give the radio on?
Yeah, but whenever they get down, it like goes off. The call button's right on the phone.
I have an idea. Let me put this gun up so I can do this real fast.
Take this on.
Just aim it straight. Leaning up a little bit. And there you go. Perfect. Don't fuck with it. Perfect. I'm taking the zero.
Hey, baby. So when do we go in after them?
We give it a minute. I want them to really get situated and then we wrestle. That would be as dirty as them waiting in the entrance.
They really are hard to see.
If we did like our radios like were together, then we could do like team games or whatever, like capture the flag or some shit.
Yeah, I know.
We'd have to set up on each side of the map or whatever.
I was going to say I have custom channels with if you give him that radio and you don't lose it, I'll give you this radio, and when you and I split up, we can be on a channel that they can't get to because it's customized. It's got the encryption. So I'll give you this one instead.
And what do I do to change?
The scan?
Yeah.
Did you get one of these?
That's a good point. Can we scan with these? Channel. No, I don't think you can. It's got really, it can go up really high up, but it doesn't have any.
Should I check?
Well, what channel are you on? 12?
Yep.
Testing.
Yeah.
I don't
Wow,
hear
wait,
anything in
you're
this.
on an encrypted channel. That's weird. I can still hear you.
I can't hear him. I just hear
Check.
I can hear you.
Right. He's encrypted, so I can hear him. That's how it's working, because of the encryption.
Okay.
So let's turn the encryption off. Kind of stinks. I like the encryption on, so if we don't have everybody on it, then it's not going to work. It won't matter.
Check.
There you go.
Check.
Do you want an earpiece too, or no? Yeah, I've got one.
Testing.
There you go. Yeah, and then I recommend putting that, like, if you're not going to use this pouch. Yeah. I'd put the radio in this pouch right here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, because it won't go anywhere then.
We'll just do it.
Oh, actually, you know what? Even better? Yeah.
There's nowhere I can hang this.
Oh, for it to work?
So I can hear if it goes off or not.
Might just have to put it in your pocket.
Yeah.
If you hear something, pull it in.
Yep. Okay, here we go. Oh, shit. That's actually good. There we go. Alright, and then that can actually connect to one of these. I wouldn't even put it in because look, the way it's designed. Alright. I'm recording now.
You can hear us.
I don't know if there's one loaded in here.
There is.
Okay.
Oh wait, I mean, did you cock it? Cock it back.
There's something on there. I can feel the resistance on the trigger.
Okay. But if there's not, just cock it real quick. It won't let you cock if it, Okay. Remember, we're gonna go in and go right to the left. As soon as we do that, we'll dive down the hill. It's gonna be rough, but it's gonna be worth it. Actually, let's not even go in the main entrance. Let's just follow this path over here. It's gonna take us the same way. And then we don't have to worry about them seeing us. There's some wood here. We could use this. Anyone feel like a swim? You think you can make it across this safely? What? Yeah? We pass it anyway when we go in airsofting.
These are boundary markers.
I know, but it doesn't go farther than that. We're cutting over that way. It's still part of the. Oh shit! It's still. It's still part of the ravine. We're just gonna go that way. But I really think it might be beneficial if we cross the water and come around. Need help? Okay. I want to kill them, but I don't want to actually kill my own guys.
Yeah.
That would suck. Being dead is not fun.
Literally dying.
Yeah, literally dying. Yeah. Okay. There's one or two locations they're going to be at. The main location that we were at with Thrace, or they're going to be at our bunker hill. Yep. Yep. So that's why I figure we'll take the very lowest ground possible and go all the way around. We can come back on their backside. That seems to work really well. As long as we know where they're looking, we can come around behind them pretty well. Getting across this water is going to be another issue. I'll cover you. We're gonna cross this water. We're gonna cross back this way and be under them. All right. Trying to think if there's an easier way to do this. Back over here. All right. Wow. That's a one-way trip, man. Once you hit that sand, you can't go back. You wanna toss the gun? Oh shit. If you need the gun out of your hand, I'll take it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, toss. Thanks. That might be for me. Yeah, it was at the end of the last game. Yep. It's if you see any footprints over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where I had my last stand.
Okay.
Lee shot
Lay
me.
that smoke bomb down too.
Hmm?
Don't be afraid to lay that smoke bomb down too.
I know. I'm only gonna save it for a last resort because I'm only got one. But the goal is, if we have to use a smoke bomb, dive into a creek bed. I'll put it down there with us, and it'll fill the whole bed up.
Okay.
And then it'll give us a good way to get out. All right.
It keeps falling out.
I'm thinking that they're at the far one, because I would have seen movement by now at this one. Okay, let's think. David likes to hide in that back corner when he goes in. We don't want to go straight in, or we're going to look like they did last game with their backs open.
Yeah.
I think we should we'll follow this path here, and then we'll turn off to the creek bed again, but we'll stay on this side of the water. Fan out that way a little, I'll fan out this way. Make sure we're not too close. Man, there's no good place to go. We're gonna be seen no matter what. Huh?
We're gonna go down there and go on the creek.
Yes. Get ready, because you're gonna be highly visible when you get down here. No, cover the rear, it's good. All right, stay on this side of the creek. I'm gonna cut across it, and I'm gonna go over there, up there, and get a good view. I'll let you know what I see. Hang tight. movement coming up. Visual of 2. Don't move. What's your status? What's your status? Does anybody read me? Over. Wait for it to jam. That's not good. Oh, good. Stay out of the fire of the machine gun. I think it's jammed. got one down. One down. Checking for some ammo. What's your status? Come in. Fuck. We're running out of time. We need to secure the ravines. I'm at the hilltop. Seriously. Do you surrender? Do you surrender? Oh, hit! Hit by my own guy. Oh, Kyle. Ah. Friendly fire.
Are you counting that as hit or not?
Yeah.
I got shot in the neck.
It's just Kyle left. It's just Kyle.
Yeah, I had to get to it. I'm good, I got it. I got it down.
Do you surrender?
Yeah, I don't have a gun.
The MG's battery is dead. This has an engine problem. You hear that whining?
I
I
heard.
almost got you. I would have been fine.
Dude, that was nuts. I laid down that hill, I was like,
Like, oh
that
God,
is,
oh God, oh God.
and then I laid in, I was like, okay, wait, this is a lot shallower than I thought it would be.
And I'm like,
I was so close.
is Kyle still in?
That's him. That's game, man.
Oh, really?
You won.
Wait, you guys got
Cause I got David, yeah.
Where's Dave?
Hey Dave,
Dave,
that's game.
So I ended the game
From somewhere. Yeah, you ended the game by killing a friendly.
I thought it was Dave for sure because he's got the same
I know.
camo shit. And I was like, you're so fun.
I was just taking her out too. I was like, I was gonna run up on her and be like, do you give up? And make her give up and everything. And then fucking I got shot from my own guy.
I thought you were still over there somewhere.
I would have if I had another gun.
Yeah, if this
My name should really be Ghost. So my name should really be Ghost.
but Ghost is so Call of Duty.
I know.
you can't use it.
I know.
Dave at?
He's coming.
He's coming up now.
Oh, he was behind
Dude, that was intense, man. My gun ran out of ammo, so I just dropped it and went with the pistol. And that was like the up roll of the century, man. I couldn't even go near you.
I was so proud. I thought I got Dave.
I even made it all dramatic too on the video.
At that point.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's
Hold on.
funny.
Put your
Here I am,
kill
like
rag.
tactically
Wait,
climbing.
put
up
your
this hill.
kill rag on and let Dave figure out what the hell's going on.
Good idea. Good idea.
I literally like rope climbed up a vine to get that kill. I was like, I see him. I one-handed it too. I was like,
Just so you know, you're really lucky that he came up that hill because you were just standing down there, facing
I was
that
about
way.
to go
with
grab
Allie.
you.
She was about to just pop over the hill and shoot you.
Dude, David
was
and I had the
already
most
ready for
intense
anything
one-on-one with his machine gun
Well, you
ever.
were
that's how I got hit.
That was
right
ridiculous.
there, and I
He
saw
wasn't
you,
using the
and I
machine gun.
couldn't find.
I
And I
was
like
on the
every
machine
time I went to
gun.
hit up, you go
And
duck
then the
back
machine-
out.
Oh yeah.
So I gave him that. I'm like, go kill him.
Oh man, dude, that was the most intense one-on-one ever. Like everything was going on over here, and then there's just like this isolated, like ghillie hat battle.
It's back there. This jammed up. Bad.
At the worst time.
Means it's broken completely.
I
Now
broke
the
it?
Yeah.
gears are shredded.
Yep.
Oh boy.
How did I break it?
Nah, it wasn't you. It happens.
It happens a lot.
Just like you gotta change oil in a car, in an
Change
engine.
gears in a gun.
You gotta change gears in a gun eventually.
I heard that going off.
Because he was right across.
She almost had it.
Dude,
Radio.
I was
thanks.
out by the way.
I-
Right, and
got
I
it.
took the machine gun. I'm like, fuck it, and I